The next time your lights go out, blame a bird, not a thundercloud. Now, the shocking truth behind electrical myths. What you thought you knew was wrong. Welcome back to the channel, where we power your mind with the truth. Today, we're breaking down some of the most common and dangerous myths about electricity. From household misconceptions to outright myths you've believed since childhood, we're exposing the shocking truth. Stay tuned to the very end, because some of these might just save your life. 1. Rubber gloves protect you from electricity. Myth: all rubber gloves protect you from electric shock. Truth: only insulated rubber gloves rated for electrical work provide protection. Household or kitchen gloves won't stop high voltage. In fact, they can melt and worsen the injury. Visual suggestion: demo with 2 types of gloves and a low-voltage tester. Unless the gloves are specifically tested and rated for electrical safety, they're just false security. Don't risk your life, use certified PPE. 2. What is a good insulator? Myth: you're safe from electricity if you're standing on wood. Truth: dry wood has insulating properties, but wet or treated wood can become conductive. Many electrocution accidents have happened on damp wooden ladders or floors. Wood may look safe, but electricity doesn't care about looks. Never assume it's an insulator, especially in humid or outdoor environments. 3. Low voltage means low danger. Myth: if it's low voltage, it can't harm you. Truth: it's not just the voltage, it's the current that kills. As little as 30 milliamps of current can be fatal under the right conditions. Even 12-volt systems in wet environments can be deadly. Voltage is just the push, it's the current amperage that does the damage. And the human heart is sensitive. Always take all voltage seriously. Myth: for circuit breakers protect you from shocks. Myth: a tripping circuit breaker protects people from electric shock. Truth: MCBs protect equipment and wiring from overloads and short circuits, not people. For personal protection, you need RCDs or RCBOs that detect earth leakage. Don't confuse equipment protection with personal protection. Without an RCD, even a small leakage current won't trip the breaker, but it could trip your heartbeat. Subscribe now and join the community. 5. You can tell a live wire by touching it carefully. Myth: you can test if a wire is live by touching it lightly or with the back of your hand. Truth: never try this. Even a slight shock can cause muscle contractions or fatal injuries. Use a voltage tester or multimeter. Electricity has no mercy for curiosity. Always test with tools, not your body. 6. Power is off if the switch is off. Myth: turning off a switch cuts off all power to a device or socket. Truth: many switches only control one wire, the live, and the neutral can still carry current. In some bad wiring setups, even with a switch off, wires can be live. Before working on any circuit, always isolate at the breaker and confirm with a tester. 7. Only professionals get shocked. Myth: electrical accidents only happen to professionals or untrained people doing big jobs. Truth: most electrical injuries happen in domestic settings due to faulty appliances, DIY repairs, or overloaded plugs. Anyone can be a victim. Electricity doesn't discriminate. Whether you're a pro or a homeowner, safety must always come first. 8. Power failures only happen during storms. Myth: only bad weather causes blackouts. Truth: squirrels, birds, tree branches, and even equipment failure cause more outages than weather in many areas. The next time your lights go out, blame a bird, not a thundercloud. 9. Electricity is stored in wires. Myth: when the power is off, there's no electricity left in the system. Truth: capacitors, long wires, or inductive loads can store charge briefly. That stored energy can still deliver a shock after power is turned off. Discharge safely and treat every wire with caution, even after shutdown. 10. It's safe to use appliances in the bathroom if your hands are dry. Myth: dry hands protect you from shock in the bathroom. Truth: Bathrooms are high risk because of moisture. Water increases conductivity, and your body resistance drops significantly when wet, even slightly. Bathrooms and electricity. Bad mix. Always keep devices away from sinks and tubs. Myth: TVS and chargers don't use power when turned off. Myth: if the device is off, it's not using electricity. Your subscription means the world to me. Stay tuned.
11. All power strips are surge protectors. Myth: if you plug your electronics into a power strip, they're safe from surges. Truth: not all power strips have built-in surge protection. Many are just extension blocks. A real surge protector is rated in joules and may include indicators or circuit protection. Your laptop or TV might still be at risk if you're using a basic power bar. Check for surge protection labels. Don't assume. 12. Magnets near electricity are always dangerous. 26 minutes and 30 seconds to 27 minutes and 30 seconds. Myth: bringing a magnet close to any electrical wire or device is hazardous. Truth: while strong magnets can interfere with sensitive electronics like CRTs or pacemakers, small household magnets don't pose a threat to most electrical systems. Electricity and magnetism are related, but not every magnet is a danger zone. Know when and where magnets are truly a problem. 13. You can DIY all electrical work if you're careful. Myth: as long as you're cautious, you can do electrical repairs without a license. Truth: electrical codes exist for a reason, and qualified work may seem fine until it sparks a fire or injures someone. Licensed electricians are trained to understand load balancing, grounding, code compliance, and safety. Being careful doesn't replace being qualified. One bad connection can lead to disaster months later. 14. Batteries are harmless because they're low-voltage. Batteries can't be dangerous because they don't plug into the wall. Truth: batteries, especially lithium-ion, can overheat, short-circuit, or explode under certain conditions. Mishandling, overcharging, or puncturing can lead to serious injury or fire. A battery may look harmless, but treat it with respect. Don't pierce, crush, or leave them in extreme heat. 15. Electricity takes the path of least resistance. Only. Myth: electricity always travels the path of least resistance. Truth: electricity takes all available paths, but more current flows through the path of least resistance. That's why even partially conductive objects like your body can still carry dangerous current. If you're part of the circuit, even slightly, current will find you. Don't rely on myths, rely on protection and preparation. Truth: many electronics consume phantom power or standby power. Even when off, chargers left plugged and still draw current. Electricity is powerful, invisible, and unforgiving. These myths survive because they sound harmless, but believing them can put your life and property at risk. Always respect electricity, follow safety standards, and educate others. Share this video with friends and family. It might literally save a life. Which of these myths did you believe before? Drop it in the comments below. If you learned something new today, give this video a like. And subscribe for more real talk about electrical safety, engineering, and myths busted with facts. Until next time, stay grounded, stay safe, and stay electrified.